Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, we will learn how to prepare your Alias file before using Vred. First thing you need to do is to reorganize your layers. Put the components into the different layers. The reason we do that because when you import Alias file in Vred, you will find that Vred will have the same layer structure as Alias has. So it will help you a lot when you select or unselect or assign materials in Vred. The second thing you can do is group your objects. Alias is a surface modeling tool. Unlike the solid modeling tools, it will generate hundreds of thousands of surfaces when you're modeling. So it will confuse you when you select or you want to assign particular material into different surfaces. So if you group your object, it also will have the same group in the Vred files. Except you group your files, another thing you can do is you can give the group a particular name you can remember. It will help you, especially when you want to make animation or move your objects in the Vred. If you give a particular components a group name, it will help you to remember and select them. The third thing you can do is assign materials to your objects. Just like the Alias, Vred have the similar function that you can select object by choosing the particular materials, such as I select the switch materials and I choose the pick object. Then all the objects with the same material will be chosen. The Vred has a similar function. So if we assign materials in Alias, we can easily to select or change the materials in Vred. The last thing we may need to do before we import the files into the Vred, we should check the surface orientation. So we choose the surface edit orientation tools, and it will show your surfaces the normal directions. If the direction is correct, it is all blue. If the direction is wrong, it will show the yellow color. Make sure every surface is blue. If the color is wrong, it's yellow, so you can adjust like this. If the color is not correct, you can easily use your left mouse button to click to change the color. Okay, let's import file in Vred. In the import to Windows, make sure you check the groups for layers and the quality. Choose File and import. Okay, open the graph tree, and you can see all the layer structure and the object name is the same in Alias. So in Vred, we can easily select the object by choosing the layers of objects. You can also click the materials, open the materials windows to select the materials, and right mouse button click the materials you select, and choose the select nodes. It will select all the objects which sharing the same materials. So in this way, you can select all the object with the same material and assign it into a different materials applied to select nodes. Another thing we need to do in Vred is we should check the surface orientation. So we click the visualization we use in the robotics and face normal rendering. And then it will show the directions. Even we adjusted the surface directions in Alias, we should also recheck it in the Vred. You see, in Vred, all the right direction is displayed as the green color, or the purple, blue color is not correct. So we can use the left mouse button with the Alt key to change the direction.